Today is Thursday on 5th March 2020. We come back. Here's our office block. We can say most of the staff already come back to the office from the hometown. Every week, a certain amount of masks are given to us to make sure steady supplier of staff masks. In the afternoon, let's have a look at the factory situation. You can say our workers are wearing masks, operating machines to process panels methodically. Everything looks the way it always did. Now, production capacity is back to normal. One more good thing, we felt thrilled to hear the good news. That goods are not virus Korea, which has been confirmed by scientists from China and many other authoritative bodies, including the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. This is so great. So, our dear customer, please don't worry with your cargoes. We will deliver them to you as soon as possible. At the same time, we really appreciate our overseas customers. Thank you for your caring and sympathy. Now everything's getting better now. We start to get back to normal life again. And we believe everything will be fine soon. I know you worry about your orders. Please don't worry. Please trust China. Please trust us. Your money is safe with us. Also, we still have some of colleagues in Wuhan. We pray for them. And we hope they can come back soon. As long as our will still light like a fortress, we will defeat the disease this time. Fighting!